from Tate Real Estate, and welcome to the 100th consecutive episode of Thirsty Thursday.
100th episode. That's just over 2 years of
2 years.
Putting these out. And
Once a week.
Yep. So that's a lot. We haven't had any duplicates yet.
That we know of.
That we know of. There's lots of ingredients that are the same, but this is our 100th. A couple of days ago, we're going to do a little bit of a celebration around this. So a couple of days ago, if you check on our Facebook or Instagram feed, we're doing a contest for a giveaway to help us celebrate our 100th.
Well.
Check out the post on Instagram and Facebook, and all of the things that are in the draw are there, and how you enter is there as well. So today we're going to make the Old Cuban.
The Old Cuban.
Old Cuban.
Okay.
So in there is...
Do you want to put the mint in first? Or
Oh yeah, let's do the mint first. Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to put about 5-6 mint leaves in here.
Per drink, and so we're making 2 drinks.
Okay.
So there's
A whole bunch.
a whole bunch in there right now.
Okay.
And Jamie's going to muddle
Do I muddle that with some simple syrup?
simple syrup if you'd like, sure.
Okay, about an ounce.
All you're really doing is bruising the mint leaves.
Hopefully
So you're not
a little
really slamming them like we do with a mojito or whatever. This, we're just sort of bruising them up, releases some of the oils and gets some of the flavors going. Jamie's going to add an ounce and a half of simple syrup,
Yeah.
an ounce and a half of lime,
Lime. Okay.
4 ounces of a dark rum. Dark rum. And that's good. And then some bitters.
Bitters. Just a
Thank you.
few daubs and dashes here.
A few daubs and dashes of the bitters. Okay. And then shake that on ice.
Throw some ice in there. And give that a shake.
Okay. And Jamie's gonna strain the ice and the mint out. And pour that about halfway up, something like that. And because it's a celebration,
It's a celebration.
it wouldn't be a celebration without some sparkling wine. In this case, we're using some Prosecco. And we'll top that up.
Looks good. Perfect. The Old Cuban.
The Old Cuban. Man, I feel more refined just holding
Cheers.
this glass.
There you go.
That's a fancy
Look at
glass.
that.
I like that.
That's
You
a
can
good drink.
definitely tell. Like, I wouldn't have thought that the rum and when we first saw this recipe with the sparkling wine and rum together, but it's quite good.
You get a bit of the mint in there too.
You can. Yep.
Yeah, even a little bit more mint might have done a bit more for it.
Mhm.
That's really good.
The only way to do that would have been to shake it a little bit longer or put more mint in, but still it's hard to infuse it when you're straining it out. But anyway, the Old Cuban for our 100th episode. Again, check it out on Facebook and Instagram posts, and that'll show you how to enter.
And thanks for following along for the past 100, and we'll go from
And
there.
even Nacho saying hi somewhere in the background. So
Cheers,
cheers
everybody.
everyone.